Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends and viewers, this is the picture of March for Gaza in Dhaka at Suhrawardi Uddan today. Here, all the religious leaders and political leaders they are together in the same platform for the rights of the people of Gaza, people of Palestine. And this picture is a historic picture in the lifespan of Bangladesh. This picture also say the people of Bangladesh at present they are united to make our country as a peaceful country. The common people of a country they dream a country which will be poverty free country, corruption free country, illiteracy free country. So if all the leaders of all party of our country they are united only for our country, inshallah they will be able to make our country as a developed country, as a peaceful country for all kind of people in our country. So all the people they are dreaming by the picture as a golden Bangladesh in future. Thank you very much. I am hopeful about it.